Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by setting a firm wake time and measuring current sleep totals so you know the gap to fix. Once done, choose a target bedtime based on the toddler's sleep need and shift it by 15 to 30 minutes every 2 to 3 days. Start the exact same 20-30 minute wind-down routine now. Dim lights, quiet play, consistent bath/brush/read order. This establishes cues. Make sure the environment is cool, dark, and calm to speed the adjustment. Now focus on naps and the behaviors tied to sleep. You should standardize nap timing and length so daytime sleep doesn't steal night sleep. Aim for predictable windows and a capped total. Next, wean sleep associations slowly. Swap active soothing for shorter comfort than independent settling. While doing this, cut screens at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime and switch to dim, calming activities. These changes reduce stimulation and train the child. To finish, lock in the routine. Stable wake time, steady bedtime, and identical pre-bed cues every night. You should tweak bedtime only in 10 to 15-minute steps if sleep won't consolidate after a few days. For night wakings, use a calm, brief response sequence. Wait a short interval, offer minimal reassurance, then leave so you avoid reintroducing old props. If progress stalls beyond 2 weeks, reassess naps, health, or recent changes. As a troubleshooting tip, reduce daytime sleep by one small step before making larger nighttime shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.